creating ads the traditional way is dead. I mean, look at this UGC style video ad I just created using Higgsfield AI.
This next serum is my new favorite. It feels cool going on.
And the lines here are way softer already.
The night moisturizer is crazy hydrating.
I wake up with my skin feeling plump, not greasy at all.
This one only took me 3 clicks and 2 minutes of waiting to create. I mean, this just saves me so much time and money. So in this video, I will show you how to create insane, high-converting video ads using Higgsfield AI. Also, towards the end of the video, I will show you how to take care of the most common issues you might have with ad generators like this. For example, we'll get rid of weird movement, ads being cut short, and so much more. So let's get started. To create a UGC-style video advertisement using Higgsfield, all you need to do is sign up with my link in the description and then click on Video and click to add. Then all you need to have is a link to your product page out of which you want to create this ad. So just an example, here is heybuttskincare.com and they are selling this ageless wonder product. So all I do is I will just copy paste the URL of this page directly here and I will click on continue. And notice how easy this all is. So they are finding the website, they will take the product images from the website, they will find the brand colors, they will find the logo, and then they'll process the details and finalize the product kit. And it takes about 30 seconds for them to fetch all the details from the product website. So here we have the product photos, and here we also have a short description of the product, and we even have the logo and all the colors. And if everything looks fine, just click on continue. And then here is where you can choose what kind of a UGC style advertisement you want to create. So just an example, let's create a customer reviews style UGC video. So let's click on generate. And here is the result that I got.
This next serum is my new favorite. It feels cool going on.
And the lines here are way softer already.
The night moisturizer is crazy hydrating.
I wake up with my skin feeling plump, not greasy at all.
I mean, that is just incredible. And all these products look exactly like they look here in the website. So considering all I had to do was just copy paste a link directly to this page, the fact that I got a result like this in just 4 minutes is absolutely insane. Like the only problem I have here is that this is only 12 seconds in duration. And if you actually go and pay really close attention to this, it is saying something and that is cut short because the video is only 12 seconds.
With my skin feeling plump, not greasy at all.
Using all 3.
This next serum is my new.
And now before I move on to other products with which you can create these UGC style ads and how to do that, let's actually create one more using this skincare product we just did. And now instead of doing the customer review style video, let's actually do simple UGC. So not all of our videos should be reviews, right? So we want to try something else as well. And we still want it to look like a genuine recommendation from an authentic and honest user. So let's click on generate video to see what happens this time. But now here's what other tutorials won't mention. And it is the fact that it rarely nails these ads with just one attempt. For example, let me show you the first result that I got.
This Ageless Wonder Trio firms my face and neck, smooths fine lines, and deeply hydrates for visibly youthful skin.
As you can see, this video is totally unusable despite the good start because of the way she applies the cream on her face and also because of the way the cream drips from her face towards the end. So I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to happen in this kind of an advertisement. And you can see the same going on with the second clip that I created.
If you want your skin to feel lifted, smooth, and hydrated, this bundle is it. Here's how I use it. The next serum has this cooling tip so good for firming. I glide it up and it instantly feels tighter. A pump of the face cream softens any fine lines and it's super high.
So once again, it looks like a UGC style advertisement at first and it starts very well, but as soon as he starts to apply the cream on her face, it is totally messed up. And then also towards the end, the product changes to something completely different than what I'm advertising here. Now, as the fourth attempt, here is the result that I got that actually looks pretty good.
I love Ageless Wonder. This 3-step anti-aging set firms my face and neck, smooths fine lines, and deeply hydrates. I can actually see the bounce coming back and my skin looks way more youthful.
Now, I'm not gonna lie, it feels like all these AI UGC ad videos out there are about skincare products, but that is just a tiny section of what you might actually be selling. So let us try out something different with different types of product. So here I have this AGM Sidewinder thermal camera, and I'm going to link this page over here and click on continue. Now it got the product photos and the information, so let's hit continue. And let's create simple UGC again, and let's hit generate. Now here is the result.
I've been using the AGM Sidewinder thermal monocular. It spots heat at long range and makes nighttime observation simple.
And once again, this has some major flaws in it. Well, first of all, the woman is looking through the scope in a completely wrong way. Then as she is showing the deer that is standing there in the field, she's pointing the camera to the sky. So there shouldn't be anything over there. And then also as she stops talking here, right around 8 seconds, this time is just wasted. So basically 4 seconds of no action, no talking, nothing. So once again, this is a totally unusable advertisement. And also the problem is that these are only 12 seconds in length once again. Now I have to be honest here. So that is how you create UGC ads using Higgsfield. But as you can see, it has quite a few limitations. So that's not what we want. Instead, what I recommend doing is using this platform called ArcAds AI. This one's actually way better than this Higgsfield AI. So what you can do here is instead of just adding a product link, you can choose a talking actor, you can choose the video or image feature, and then you can choose between all these different AI UGC ad generator models. And also you can prompt the video to basically make it do anything you like. So just an example, here is the same thermal camera video that I created.
Hey folks, just got my hands on this new thermal camera and I had to show it off. Look at this little thing. Fits right in the palm of my hand, weighs almost nothing, and the buttons are right where your fingers want them. I was out here at sunrise and it picked up a flock of finches that I would have totally missed in the shadows.
And as you can see, this is much better because first and foremost, I am not using this for hunting purposes, but I'm using this to spot birds. So that's something that I was able to tell here in ArcAds. So I told a bird watcher recording a vlog with selfie stick showing the new thermal camera, yada yada yada. And as you can see, the result looks exactly like that. But then more importantly, we fix all these other issues that this Higgsfield generated UGC video had. So here in ArcAds, this video looks actually realistic. So the way the guy is holding the camera looks right, and also the way he's filming through the lens looks pretty much exactly what it looks like when you spot a bird with one of these. And then most importantly, he's not wasting any time out of these 12 seconds because he's talking all the way through the video. So that is what I love. So this is so much better than this Higgsfield AI UGC ad generator. Oh, and if you hate the 12-second limitation that we also have here in ArcAds, I have actually found a workaround that is very easy, and I have made a separate video with which you can make one of these videos to be 60 seconds in length while not sacrificing the quality or anything. So make sure to check the description of the video to see that video if you want to create longer UGC style advertisements. So that is how you can create UGC ads in Higgsfield AI. So all you need to do is sign up, click video, and then choose the click to add feature and add your product link over here and click continue a couple of times. But as I showed you, these videos have quite a few flaws that basically prevent you from using these in any real world scenario. And that is why I highly recommend you using this platform called ArcAds AI, because these results are just miles ahead. I'm not saying this is perfect, this one has its flaws as well, but based on my experience and based on me testing all these different AI UGC ad generators, this one is the best right now. And you can find a link to this page in the description of the video.